Welcome to Toys and RC. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 new RC releases, November 2025. Crawlers, cars, planes, and more. After extensive research across several websites, I've compiled a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're an enthusiast focused on price, performance, or specific use, I'm here to help you out. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this isn't a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The HPI Venture18 CC Flux 1/18 Mini Comp Crawler packs the thrill of real rock crawling into a compact, ready-to-run 1/18 scale package. Designed for precision, torque, and durability, this mini crawler is perfect for both indoor challenges and rugged outdoor terrain. Powered by the Flux brushless motor system, the Venture18 delivers smooth, controlled power with excellent low-speed crawling capability. Its full-time 4-wheel drive drivetrain, high-torque steering servo, and precision suspension geometry provide superior traction and articulation over rocks, dirt, and uneven ground. Built on a tough, lightweight chassis, the Venture18 CC Flux features oil-filled shocks, beadlock-style wheels, and realistic off-road tires for maximum grip and stability. The detailed body design captures the look of a full-scale crawler, complete with scale accessories and realistic proportions. Compact yet capable, the HPI Venture18 CC Flux 1/18 Mini Comp Crawler is ideal for hobbyists who want big performance in a smaller size. Powerful, agile, and ready to take on any crawling course straight out of the box. Number 4. The MJAX HyperGo 7304 is a 1/7 scale officially licensed Volkswagen Polo R WRC rally car that delivers impressive power, scale realism, and precision handling. Designed for both on-road and off-road action, it combines a rugged build with high-performance brushless electronics for serious speed and control. Powered by a 2,500-volt brushless motor and a 120 amp-hour electronic speed control, the HyperGo 7304 reaches speeds of up to 60 km per hour on 4 SLIPO power. Its full-time 4-wheel drive system with metal differentials, steel drive shafts, and CVD joints ensures smooth power delivery and durability, even on rough terrain. The aluminum chassis and oil-filled shocks provide excellent stability and impact resistance, while the adjustable independent suspension keeps the car planted through turns and jumps. Steering is handled by a powerful 35-kilogram metal gear servo for fast, accurate response. Finished with the iconic Volkswagen Polo RTR body, realistic rally tires, and premium detailing, this large-scale RC car offers both authentic looks and performance. The MJX HyperGo 7304 is ready to impress with its strength, speed, and scale realism. The perfect choice for rally enthusiasts who want real 4-wheel drive power in 1/7 scale form. Number 3. The FMS 1/7 Ford Bronco RTR brings full-scale off-road performance and stunning detail together in one powerful package. At an impressive 1/7 scale, this large and realistic model captures the rugged look of the iconic Ford Bronco, while delivering the speed and durability expected from a high-end RC vehicle. Underneath the detailed polycarbonate body sits a strong aluminum chassis equipped with a powerful 1600 kilovolt brushless motor and a 150 amp waterproof ESC, capable of reaching speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour on a 6 SLIPO battery. The 4-wheel drive system with metal gears ensures consistent power delivery and long-lasting reliability. The suspension setup features independent front suspension, a solid rear axle, and 8 oil-filled aluminum shocks for smooth performance across rough terrain. Combined with realistic Nitto trail grappler tires and wide fender flares, the Bronco handles both off-road trails and high-speed runs with ease. The RTR package includes a 2.4 GHz radio system with built-in gyro stability for precise control, along with waterproof electronics ready for any adventure. Just add your battery and charger, and you're ready to experience the power, scale realism, and off-road capability of the FMS 1/7 Ford Bronco RTR, a true giant in the RC world. Number 2. The ARRMARC KRATON 6 SBL-X RTR is back with bold new colors, but the same unstoppable monster performance. Built for extreme bashing, high speeds, and rugged durability, this 1/8 scale four-wheel drive speed truck delivers raw power and precision handling like few others. Powered by a 2050 kV brushless motor and a Firma 150 amp smart ESC, the KRATON 6 SBL-X unleashes blistering acceleration and can reach speeds over 60 miles per hour with a 6S LiPo battery. Its robust aluminum chassis, reinforced front bumper, and EXB grade extreme bash components make it tough enough to handle massive jumps, hard landings, and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. The truck's clipless body mounting system makes it easy to remove and replace the body in seconds, while the new color schemes give it a fresh, aggressive look. Massive multi-terrain tires and heavy-duty steel drive shafts ensure reliable traction and control on dirt, grass, gravel, or pavement. Fully waterproof electronics, a metal gear steering servo, and a four-wheel drive drivetrain guarantee performance in any condition. The ARRMARC KRATON 6 SBL-X RTR remains a true powerhouse. Same legendary strength, same insane speed, now in striking new colors. Number 1. The Traxxas Ford RS200 Mini Rally VXL is a compact powerhouse that captures the legendary spirit of the classic Group B rally car in 1/18 scale form. Designed for high performance and precision control, it delivers an authentic rally experience on any surface, from pavement to gravel. Powered by the Valinian brushless system, the Ford RS200 blasts past 55 miles per hour with explosive acceleration and smooth, consistent power. Its full-time four-wheel drive system with sealed steel gear differentials ensures incredible grip and durability for high-speed cornering and off-road agility. The beautifully detailed Ford RS200 body features a realistic rally look with aerodynamic lines and a clipless mounting system that keeps the design clean while allowing quick access to the chassis. Oil-filled shocks, fully independent suspension, and a low center of gravity provide exceptional stability and handling, even through sharp turns and jumps. Waterproof electronics make it ready for all-weather fun, while the Traxxas TQI radio system ensures precise, responsive control. Compact, tough, and lightning fast, the Traxxas Ford RS200 Mini Rally VXL is built to deliver big rally thrills in a small-scale package. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.